Today we'll be unboxing the WOWSTICK. Hi humans, my name is Alden and welcome to a design machine where tech, design and machinery is fused. This is the episode 2 of an unboxing series. I first saw this Macy KB video and appearing on Rama Works assembly video, and I just had to land my hand on one. I went online to search and boom! Here we are, the WOWSTICK IF Plus. What you are looking at is the WOWSTICK rectangular box packaging. This almost Apple inspired, and on the side it subtly informed you it is only 6/9 in 1. At the back is the product description and a WOWSTICK logo. The slogan says easy and enjoyable. And now the moment that we have been waiting for. Let's bring out the knife and open this bad boy. Sliding this sleeve out, you see something. Oh, what is that? First, the sleeve is just an empty box. We can put that aside. Let's dive into this bad boy right now. First up, the screw pad. So being quirky, the product packaging says I am a screw pad. Funny, isn't it? So let's check out the other boxes. Well, every boxes is the same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boxes. There's a pull tab for ease of extraction. Great user unboxing experience so far. So what are the rest of the boxes? There's 2 product description with multiple language. So let's put that aside for a second. It comes with a base white box, rectangular, and that is all. Now let's unbox the main lead, the dual power screwdriver.
Is a dual power screwdriver.
So here we are looking at the WOWSTICK electric screwdriver in gunmetal gray. Sadly no USB-C, so in charging we'll find the red light light up. So it comes with 2 buttons, so one up and down. Down symbolizes clockwise direction and the top button goes in the anti-clockwise direction. So just very simple 2 button usage. So one bonus feature they have is this. Bang! An LED at the base. Overall it's a very well built tool. So let's put that aside for a second now. We have to unbox the rest of the accessories. So let's go with the bigger box first. Before that, it says
A case.
what we have is a white spectacle looking case. Open up. Oh, it is actually magnetized to each other, so you can actually put in the electric screwdriver for storage or to bring it out outside. So pretty clever. And the other slot is for the other screw tip, which you will see later on. So let's put that aside. So what we should unbox right now? Okay, going with the base. So it says I am a base. So let's open up and see. You slide it out, and here we have the base. At the front you can see the WOWSTICK logo, and very simple legs are 2, very weighty, and on the bottom there's a bubble feet. Enough weight, very solid. So let's put that aside. So let's pull out the X1 bead, the bead group with X1 accessories. So in the accessories X1 screwdriver bead, it consists of 20 pieces of screw bead of different tools. There are cross screw, there are -2 and round and polygonal shape tools. So very simple and very creative storage design. So just pull out and then you can grab the tool. A very compact acrylic tube design. So very smart of them. Okay, so this is the X1 screwdriver bead accessories. Next, we have the X2. So what does X2 consist of? Over here we have the star screw T2 to T20, and we have stars P2 to P6, and a trowel symbol screw of Y, call it Y, so Y0.6 to Y3.0. And they also include the H40, which is a polygonal screw tip. So this is X2 with a 20-piece screwdriver bead. Let's put it aside. And finally we have the X3. So X3 screwdriver bead is more unique. There is only 16 pieces because it's to accommodate the slightly extended screw bead. You can see at the left. So it consists of square, triangle, and 2 minus, and 1 0.8 mm circle. So very comprehensive screwdriver bead in this compact small package. So next we have the tiny accessories pack. So we have a common screw in a cube box container, and there is a suction cup. Interesting. Next, there is a USB cable to micro USB. Okay, this is interesting. It is a magnetizer and magnetic eraser. What do we have here? We have the fins that allows you to snap the parting line. So simple yet essential. So here we have the accessories pack. So what we left here is the screw pad that we first saw in the unboxing. This screw pad. Let's open up this screw pad. It's pretty weighty on the hand. Slide it up and we can see the WOWSTICK logo, and the back there's some cute symbol. On the bottom right there's a slogan say easy and enjoy. So that's all for today, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for listening and watching this unboxing. I hope you like it. Alright guys, we've come to the end of the WOWSTICK unboxing. I hope you like what you see. If you like, please subscribe, share, and like. Thank you. So next we will be assemble the mechanical keyboard, so please stay tuned. I see you guys in the next one. Grab it, I go make coffee now.